Guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I attempted to do this eyeliner look. It's not your everyday get ready with me, it's just playing with eyeliner. So if you want to see how I got it, then you just keep on watching. But I'm first going to tell you the liner that I use is the Stila Mint Julep Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I do recommend a waterproof kind of smudge resistant liner for this, so that, I mean, you did a wing with it, so you don't want it to kind of move. So if you guys want to see how I did it, go ahead and keep on. Okay, to start off, I want to start out with like a blank canvas to kind of like conceal my lids, but I'm going to use a cream shadow for it, and it's the e.l.f. Nude Linen kind of matte cream shadows they have. I'm just going to place this on and use a brush to apply it, or to blend it really. And then I'm going to go in with that same brush that I'm using, so that there's still kind of a little bit of product on it, and then just use my face powder to blend out and kind of set that lid color. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Pro To Go palette and take like the biggest fluffiest eye brush you have, and I'm going to dip into the color Gleam right here and just like dip into it and then like majorly tap it off, so you like basically have nothing. And then I'm just gonna kind of place this on the brow. Doing a lot of this right now because when you do liner, you don't have a lot of wiggle room to play. So I have the Tarte, not Tarte, I have the Stila smudge proof liner in Mint Julep. It's really pretty. I want to try this. I have a Wet n Wild liner that's like hot pink, and I really want to try this look with that color. So I'm just going to apply this to the lash line. Not messily, kind of try to keep it as uniform as you can. I might have like mega creepy lids. Okay, so now I'm gonna create the wing with this, and creating a wing with a like pencil is almost impossible. So you know how everyone always says to line it with your lower lash line? Literally do that. So I'm gonna hold this little mirror up and I'm gonna kind of try to show you as best as I can. So this is my lower, I'm gonna zoom in a tiny bit. So this is my lower lash line right here, see? So this is the top of my other lash line, and I'm going to bring this out as far as I can to the lower, and then find it, and then just kind of start pulling the liner that way. So there is that. It's like a rough line because I'm going to have to line it up and kind of meet the other two. So I'm going to go in with my black liner now. This is a liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Liner in black. And Okay, so I did the black liner. It was quite the feat, so if there's a lot of stuff missing, then that's why it was a little bit of a struggle. And I'm going to go back in with the julep. I'm going to take a brush and kind of clean up the edges of this. Just to kind of meet the mint color with the, so it kind of fades nicely. Alright, now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise Skinny Liner and go on the lower lash line and get a smudging brush and go and do that and smudge underneath there. A nice tip when smudging a lower lash line is take a big fluffy brush and don't smudge it, just kind of go underneath it, and almost kind of blends like your powder and stuff and helps it look not so crazy-tastic. Now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Been absolutely loving this. Okay, and lastly I'm going to take my Gleam in this Tarte palette and place this on the inner corner to kind of add some life to this. I'm taking my Tarte palette again and I'm just going to highlight with, I'm going to mix the two shades because we're already going crazy. And I already contoured for time's sake. And I already have blush on and I'm just wearing the Estee Lauder Radiant Peach blush. Lips, I'm just going to take this Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Violet. And I have a little bit on from earlier. I'm just going to apply a tiny bit more. It's like a pink nude. Okay, so this video was a challenge video almost for me. I really just wanted to play with liner and it was rather hard to film because I was up in my face with this mirror this whole time. So I hope that you enjoyed it. It's something, this is the eye that I did off camera and I like it a lot better than this is the one we did together. But then again, I mean, you always have better chances with one eye than the other. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.